Globus Gates, another fantastic job in process. Globus Gates giving you those best prices for the best quality, and I'll explain. All right, so let's talk about this project for a minute. We have this fence is going to go here, then this way, and then continue. We have 6-foot panels, super stability. We got this corner, super clean corner. So one side's going to go left, one's going to go right. And then you got those slim fit profile 40. And profile 40 goes with a 2-inch post. Super clean, super nice. We also have a 2.5-inch post if you want, or a 3-inch post. Depends on what the clients really need. I believe this is, I mean, it moves. It's aluminum, obviously, but this is not stopping some major theft. This is for your door knockers, for your, you know, your pedestrian walking. This will do the job phenomenal, and it will stand even high winds. So there's no really need to increase budget into a bigger post, which Globus Gates has really good pricing. So you could do that and still be at the best price in the market, because we're in-house manufacturing, in-house installation, and an in-house wholesale. So all this product are all made in the U.S., powder coated in the U.S., this specific line that we're showing right here, the Profile 40. So we got the fence, and here I'm coming up to the sliding gate. We're not done yet. This sliding gate is phenomenal, and it's engineered, and it has the spec on engineering to be able to take on a sliding gate just this big. It's a 20-foot sliding gate made from aluminum. You'll pretty be amazed and not think this is steel, but we do the job. So you got that. We're gonna have a LiftMaster CSL 24 down there. 11 years, over 11 years. I took over 11 years ago, and I can tell you Globus Gates really go into detail into what kind of brackets we use, what kind of screws, what kind of engineering we pay for to get you the best, finest jobs, what kind of wheels we use. We never go cheap on the hardware. Number one, never go cheap on hardware. You will suffer as a gate company. You'll suffer from callbacks. Never go cheap on the LiftMaster mode.